Did you know that tucked away in the New England area of New South Wales, you'll find a peaceful camping sanctuary known as Sheba Dam? It's a place where adventure blends with tranquility, and the best part? It's an absolutely free campground. Today, we're exploring one of New South Wales's most peaceful free camping spots, Sheba Dams. Located just outside Tamworth, this little gem offers a perfect mix of history, natural beauty, and the ultimate camping experience. Whether you're in a caravan, motorhome, or tent, this spot has plenty to offer. Let's dive in and uncover why Sheba Dams should be on your free camp bucket list. Discovering a great free camping spot can be a challenge, with many being overcrowded, difficult to reach, or missing essential facilities. However, Sheba Dam stands out from the rest. Not only is it easily accessible, but it also boasts breathtaking scenery. Sheba Dam also offers ample flat areas to set up camp, equipped with numerous facilities including garbage bins, fire pits, covered picnic areas, and a toilet block. And of course, there's the dam itself. You can enjoy fishing, swimming, or simply sitting by the water to take in the peaceful views. Exploring the walking trails and observing the bird life can add to the experience of camping here. Numerous signboards provide information about the Sheba Dams, its fauna and animals, and other nearby parks of interest. Sheba Dam has an intriguing history. Constructed in 1888, it played a crucial role in supporting the booming mining activities of the Gold Rush era. Now it serves as a serene free camp for campers. Sheba Dams is a relaxing getaway, surrounded by nature and located just a few hours from major cities. Before packing your bags, here are some helpful tips and information. This remote spot is quite a distance from shops, so we always pack all the essentials, food, water, and personal items to stay prepared. If you're here to soak in the tranquility, keep in mind that power crafts aren't allowed on the dam, preserving its peaceful vibe. The dams are stocked with fish, which is great for anglers like us, but you'll need a fishing license. And don't forget the bag limits. They're there to protect the ecosystem. There are plenty of fire pits around, but we always bring our own firewood to make sure we are ready for a cosy evening by the fire. For a quiet lunch or a shady break, the undercover picnic areas are perfect. The road to Sheba Dams Reserve is accessible for all sizes of caravans and RVs, though it is steep in some sections. drivers should also be cautious of the logging trucks that use the road. So there you have it, your guide to camping at Sheba Dams. With free camping, stunning views, fishing, and all the natural beauty you could ask for, it's the perfect spot to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Just remember to pack your essentials, bring your firewood, and enjoy everything this peaceful destination has to offer.